Hey, you guys. Welcome back to Don Today's Cleaning LLC. And I wanted to come on here and talk to you guys a little bit about the prices and what we offer in the business. So, right now, I want to say welcome, welcome, welcome. So, as I get my stuff together, you guys. You also can follow us on Instagram, Facebook. So we definitely have social media. It will be Dawn Today's for everything far as Instagram and Facebook. So I wanted to go into how we started the company. So my boss is my mother. Her name is Dawn Thomas. She started this company, which will be this year, July the 20th. And she always wanted a cleaning company when we were kids. So this is like one of her big, big, big dreams that she had, and one of her biggest goals that she has set for herself. So we decided to get together this year. Now that I'm older and I'm a grown woman and I have my own children, she decided to come to me and had a plan of a cleaning business, starting her own personalized cleaning business. So I'm like, I'm just gonna get a little bit in detail. I'm like, yeah, mom, I think you should go for it. Not knowing that I was gonna be the administrator in the company. So I didn't know that yet. I was just like, Mom, I'm happy for you. I'm glad that you're doing this, that, and the third. So long story short, you guys, she made the cards and got the office space, and everything was just coming on time. When I tell you guys, God is so good. God is in the blessing business, and I have to put him first and foremost because he's very important in our lives, because he do things when we don't even see the vision. Sometimes he do things when we're not even thinking that it's going to get to that level. So we thank him in advance. But back to the story. So once she got all these things together, I'm like, we're moving fast. So she was like, I want you to be the administrator of the company. I think that'll be good for you, put extra money in your pocket, yada yada yada. Long story short, I'm like, yeah, mom, I think that'll be great. I really like this field and I want to learn more in this field. So when I get my own business, I know how to run it, effectively. So she got this place on July the 20th, and we have been building, 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 building. And we're looking for more contacts, more people that we can clean their homes, offices. We do hospitals, we do residential and commercial. So that's part of all of that. So I'm just so happy to share this with her. And I'm just so excited of the journey that we're going to go on, because we also do out of state. So this is a very exciting moment for her and and I'm a little nervous, and I think she is too, because when you're first starting your business, you're building from the ground up. So you don't know what can happen during those period of times. Times you might be up, sometimes you might be down, but you just come every day, put your best foot forward, and get it done. So that's a little bit of the background of how she started her business, and I'm a part of it. So let's go to a little bit of the prices, you guys, because I know y'all are really big on that. Like, how far do we go? We go no more than a 50-mile radius from where our office is, which is Mechanicsville. Um, we do Lakeside, Hillier Road, Glenside, Mechanicsville, Brook Road, South Laburnum. I'm just throwing out a little bit of the places that we go. We also go to Southside as well. So, just throwing that out there. Also, I want to give y'all our company's number that you guys can call, leave a message. And also you can speak to me. So it would be 804-348-2785. So we have two numbers, and then it's 804-324-3433. So the 804-324-3433, you can get in contact with me when I'm in office. Okay? So you can also leave a message, let us know what you need, and we will be there to assist you guys. I'm so glad that I took some time on my day so I can come and really sit back and talk to you guys without just always having a video out there and it's like quick, fast, and in a hurry. I get to actually sit here and talk to you guys because now we have a new software that we're using. Well, I can sit back and relax and talk to you guys without being in a rush with a 5-minute video, 2-second video. You know how those things go. So we're going to start with I already let you know. Put this gum out. I already let you know how far we go when we're in the city, but we also go out of state. So bear with me, you guys. I'm trying to find it. And know that I should have had this all ready put up. We were doing so much. So also, you guys, we do churches, like I told you, we do office space, we do dentistry, law offices, therapy offices, and we also open from Monday through Friday, 11 to 6, Saturday, 9 to 6. So those are our hours of operation. So we basically work 7 days a week, you guys. So I found it. So for one bedroom, okay, these are apartments, basic and detail cleaning. So let me explain to you guys what a basic clean is. Basic clean is just going around, maybe cleaning, mopping, a little bit of dusting, things of that nature. Okay, detail is when you go into cleaning, brushing the countertops, or let's see, scrubbing the toilet bowl around the edges, things of that nature, wiping the walls down, stuff like that is a detail clean. A basic is when you just come in and maybe vacuum, make up a bed, sweep, mop. That's it. That's like basically like a basic clean. So the prices of a basic clean is 140 and a detail is 180. And it might go up because of your square footage. So I definitely need to know your square footage of your home, your apartment. We definitely have to have that so we know how to price you guys. So a 2-bedroom would be 2 to 220, basic and detail. So a basic is 2. And a detail is 220. So it definitely goes up, and it definitely goes up by the square footage. So I want you guys to understand that and know that. Okay, so these are the prices without us knowing what's going on in your home. So these are just prices that we throw out there so and kind of give you an idea of what we charge. Okay, so prices, we make a deposit. Okay, so we definitely take a deposit just in case you cancel, because we could go to somebody else's house, or we can be servicing other clients, and I booked you in and you guaranteed that spot. So we definitely want to have a deposit just in case you cancel. So I know you guys understand that. And also the deposit will be coming out your whole entire pay. So that's also a good thing. We also have a cancellation fee as well. And it also depends on what the cancellation is. You know, if you got like somebody's going to the hospital, something like that, and dying need of you, and you cancel, that's a little bit different. But if we book you and you just cancel because you don't want us to come that day, we have to have something that's going to cover us, you know. Okay, so a 3 bedroom, let me just throw this out, a 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom, 3 to 350. That's detail, and that is a basic. Okay, we also do a organize. So if you want us to come in your home and just organize your home, it's a flat fee of 100. But we definitely have to know your square footage of your home because it could be more. So like I told you guys, we're just throwing out of a price. Okay, that don't mean that is the set price until we know the square footage and what's going on in your home. Okay, so that'll be 100 to 120 a flat fee. If you book monthly with us, you definitely get a half off price. Okay, definitely get a discount. So I just want to let you guys know, if you book with us monthly, we definitely charge for travel time. So that will all be in that price that I gave you guys. So you would know all your prices up front, what we charge and everything before we even come out there and before you guys even sign the contract. So you would know everything. All right, all right. So I think that's pretty much it with that. Like I told you guys, we do house cleaning, we do deep cleaning, we do move in and move out. So, if we have to get other people involved in the move in and the move out, we're definitely charging 140, 100 to 140. So, we definitely need to know what's going on in the move in and the move out situation in your home. So, and again, we do organizing. And we do, like I told you guys, we do residential and commercial. So you guys pretty much know what that is. We also can give you a flat fee. Like I told you guys, we can give you a flat fee, which should be 100 to 200 without us knowing what's going on in your home. If you tell us that you just, like, for instance, if you tell us that you just want your house clean, you just want to pretty much want us to come in there, just vacuum, sweep, whatever the case may be, we can also give you a flat fee. We have a website. So I just want to let you guys know we definitely have a website. I will be leaving the cards with you when we come and clean your home. So you can know, you can call us back. Anything happens, you can let us know what's going on. Also, you can book with us again online or through us. So you will always go through me, which my name is Octavia. If I didn't state that at the beginning of the video, my name is Octavia Thomas. You will be booking with me and me only. The only time you will see other cleaners is when we're on the job site. And I guarantee you guys that we can beat anybody's prices. So that's another thing. It'll be good for you guys to book with us. Let me see, am I missing anything? No, I'm not really missing anything. But if you have any other questions, you guys, about what we do not hesitate, okay? To call us, message us, email us about anything you would like to know about our company. So thank you guys for listening. I appreciate it. And I am out. You guys have a wonderful, blessed day, y'all. I'm out. Bye.